Hey, welcome back to Mark Customs Garage. Today we're going to do a continuation video of our stairwell job that we are doing right now. So we're gonna focus on the handrails today. And actually, let me turn. So I've already pre-cut the handrails. This is 1-inch square tubing, and the customer requested a certain style that they've seen on Pinterest. So this here is obviously tubing that I've cut out and bent. So I have like a little smooth edge there. And then this edge, it's gonna go right here. So this end will go on the wall, and then that, I'm just simulating what it'll look like. So this is the handrail, and I'll have a couple more of these little L's going up along the actual rail. All right, so here, let me turn you guys around. So if you would like to hang out for a couple minutes, and I'll show you how I made these right here. All right, let's get to it. All right, so real quick, these are almost perfect, perfectly square, but just to make sure they stay square, we're going to use this Harbor Freight clamp. It's an angle clamp for clamping your anything, wood, metal. So yeah, we're gonna weld it, and when we weld it, we want to make sure that it stays this way, because as I've said before in the past, when you're welding stuff, it likes to tend to move around a little bit and not stay square. So this will make sure that does not happen, that it stays square. So yeah, check those out at Harbor Freight. They're cheap, but hey, they get the job done, right? Let's get it. All right, I just wanted to give you guys a quick shot of these welds and to show you just how we're going to make these three pieces of steel look like one here in just a moment. check it out. So this right here, this is called a nut zert. A nut zert. So look at it real closely. Okay, so why they call it a nut zert? Well, it's a nut that you insert in a piece of material that you're working on. So inside of this little, see that hole right there? There's some threads, and basically it collapses like a rivet. Okay, so we're gonna utilize this nut zert into our job that we're working on. I'm gonna show you why, because it's gonna be it's gonna be a seamless, it'll be flawless, but it'll be a seamless transition on the eye whenever you're looking at these rails. Just let me turn you around, check it out. All right, so we've already pre-drilled our holes here, and let me get that thing to focus. Hold on, just a second. Sorry, guys. Yikes. Here, maybe if I put my hand there. Nope. Yep, there we go. All right. So you see how I insert that nut zert right there? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and collapse it, and then that'll be our thread for our connection from rail to rail. All right, so I'm going to attempt to give you a close-up view of what this nut zert will do as it collapses. All right, so it's working. It is collapsing. Hopefully not stripping. So we've got the POR 15 cleaner degreaser. It's just a clear liquid, and it's gonna help me clean all my parts. As you see, I've got everything staged for cleaning and painting. And then we've got some, of course, some white shop rags, low lint shop rags, and that is not Oxy Wash or Oxy Cleaner. That is just our cleaner, our degreaser here that we are going to be dipping in our rags and wiping down our railings. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start painting our parts here. We are going to be using this very good brand. I'm sure you've heard of them, Rust-Oleum. We're gonna use their protective enamel oil base on our rails. So, as you see, I've gone ahead and made me a little workstation for my parts, the smaller parts, and yeah. Let's get to it. Oh shoot, look what we got here. We got the first coat of the Rust-Oleum Flat Black. I tell you what, this paint by Rust-Oleum, it lays out awesome. I mean, there's no shiners, no nothing. It lays out consistently smooth and just excellent. There's not a lot of paints out there that can do this, that can just lay out just perfect without any shiners. I don't know how many of you guys have painted with Flat Black or other flat paints, they don't lay out that great. But Rust-Oleum, always, they nail it every time. I'm happy with their products. Well, hey, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying the process of seeing this job come together. I'm not gonna keep you around for the second and third coat. That would be so freaking boring. So the next video we're gonna drop, we're gonna be installing these in the customer's home, and we're gonna make them real happy. So, until next time, stay humble, hustle harder, and peace. Forgot, hit that like and subscribe button real quick. All right, now peace.